Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explain to you how you can claim free land in 7 simple steps and the paperwork you might need to do. Claiming free land can be a complex process that varies depending on the location and circumstances of the land being offered. However, here are some general steps that may be involved in claiming free land. Let's get started. 1. Research available opportunities. Before you can claim free land, you need to find out where such opportunities exist. Look for government programs, private landowners, or communities that may be offering free land to encourage settlement, business development, or restoration of abandoned properties. You can start your research by searching online, contacting local real estate agents, or contacting government agencies or municipalities. 2. Meet the eligibility criteria. Most free land programs have specific eligibility criteria, such as age, income level, residency requirements, or a commitment to use the land in a certain way. Before you apply for free land, make sure you meet all the criteria set by the program. 3. Submit an application. Once you have identified a free land opportunity and ensured that you meet the eligibility criteria, you need to submit an application. The application process may require you to provide personal information, financial statements, proof of residency or citizenship, a business plan, or a commitment to maintain or develop the property. 4. Attend an interview. Depending on the program, you may be required to attend an interview to discuss your application and your plans for the land. This interview may be conducted in person or online. 5. Sign a contract or agreement. If your application is successful, you will need to sign a contract or agreement with the landowner or the government agency responsible for the program. The contract will outline the terms and conditions of the land transfer, such as any restrictions on land use, obligations to maintain or improve the property, and any fees or taxes associated with the land. 6. Complete any necessary paperwork. The necessary paperwork that you need to complete when claiming free land can vary depending on the location and the specific program you are participating in. However, some common paperwork that you may need to complete includes deed or land transfer. You will need to obtain a deed or transfer of the land from the government agency or landowner offering the free land. This document will transfer ownership of the land from the previous owner to you. Property registration. You will need to register the property with the local government to establish your ownership of the land. Building permits. If you plan to build on the land, you will likely need to obtain building permits from the local government. This will ensure that your construction plans comply with local building codes and regulations. Environmental permits. Depending on the location and the intended use of the land, you may need to obtain environmental permits from the local government. This will ensure that your plans do not harm the environment or wildlife. Tax registration. You will need to register for local taxes, which may include property taxes, income taxes, or business taxes, depending on how you plan to use the land. Utility hookups. If the land does not have access to utilities such as water, electricity, or gas, you may need to apply for utility hookups and pay for the installation of these services. Insurance. You may need to purchase insurance for the land to protect yourself against any liability or damage that may occur. 7. Take possession of the land. Once you have completed all the necessary steps and paperwork, you can take possession of the free land and start developing or using it according to the terms of the agreement. To claim free land, one must research available opportunities, meet the eligibility criteria, submit an application, attend an interview, sign a contract or agreement, complete necessary paperwork, and take possession of the land. The process may vary depending on the location and circumstances of the land being offered. It is essential to do thorough research and ensure that all necessary requirements are met before claiming free land. Do you have any doubts left? Let us know in the comments. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.